Welcome to Techno Tips Learning, and today I am here with a video on how to install Windows 10 on your PC. So I have a PC on which I have added a new hard drive. You can see this is the PC. I have just connected the keyboard, and I have added a hard drive to this PC, and it says no boot device found. Press any key to reboot the machine. In order to create a bootable device, I have this pen drive with me, and I will be installing Windows. I will make this USB drive bootable, and we will put this into the machine to install Windows 10 on the machine. So you can see. So I will do a screen share now. All right, so I have inserted now on my PC. I'm sharing the screen. I So let us see what is the device. We go to this PC, and this is the ESD ISO, and this is configured as for Windows 11 for now, and it contains the operating system. It is Windows 10, but it is UEFI only, and we will convert it into MBR. To do that, there is a software called Rufus. So you go here and add Rufus, and you see this Rufus create bundle USB drive, and from here you can run Rufus 4.6 and you can save it, and once it is done you can open the folder and you can run Rufus 4.6 exe. Now it will come up with this screen, and it will automatically select your pen drive. So ESD ISO G. Now boot ISO, and you can actually select the ISO image. So I'll select Windows 10, and this ISO image, how you can view my old videos and find it when there is a specific video for Windows 10 installation on VMware, and there we have procured this ISO file. And for Windows 11 installation video as well, we have procured the ISO file, and the video is there. I will put the video link in the description. So open it, and this is MBR and BIOS or UEFI CSM. You do not have to change anything, and you click on start and click on OK. Rufus detected ISO contains UEFI bootloader. If you obtain the ISO image, so don't worry about it, just click OK. All the data will be erased. So whatever size of the pen drive you are using, all the data on that pen drive will be erased. Click on OK and let it create this pen drive bootable. So copying it will take some time, so I'll pause this video here and we'll come back after this video, after it has created the ISO file, or it will after it has created the bootable pen drive. So then we will move on to our second PC. So actually, to install Windows 10 on a do a fresh installation, you get Windows 10 with the PCs that you buy today, but it is always home edition, or you like if you want professional edition, you will have to pay a price. If you already have a professional license, Windows 10 professional or Windows 11 professional license, you can install the operating system and you can activate the license. So this is the way how you do a fresh installation on the PC, right? So first you create the installation media, and then you boot the PC with the bootable pen drive and you install. So I'll show you everything. Let it create. I'll pause the video and come back once it is done. Okay, so it is now at 91%. So let me minimize this. Rufus. application. So hope you got it. So this is at 93% now. So once it is complete, we will go ahead and insert the pen drive into our PC that on which we are installing the operating system. Almost done, 95%. It won't take much time. So I'll have to close this session, and now I will be recording from my mobile phone. So let us see how it goes. 97. So make sure you make it for Windows 10. You should make it NBR or Windows Operating System BIOS or UEFI. Select the ISO. It will automatically select your pen drive. It is now 100% done. It will do some check and it will do NTFS fix-up. Now it says ready. You close this and safely eject the pen drive. Which one? We have to eject cruiser blade. NS is my hard disk, SSD hard drive. So now we have ejected it. Now I'll take it out and I'll take you to my mobile phone. Okay, so back to the PC. This is the pen drive that we created. We will insert it. Okay, it inserted now. And now the PC, the Dell PC is picking up the pen drive and now it will boot. Let us see if it boots or not. It is taking some time. Okay, now it is up. And it is loading up the Windows installation screen. Now, what happens if it does not load the from the pen drive? What actually will happen? How do you get it to load like through from BIOS? So we'll show it to you as well. Okay, so now I have taken out the pen drive and it says no boot device found. Now, because my PC is configured in order to take the bootable drive. Now, suppose if any PC is not able to load the boot drive, then you need to change the boot sequence in the PC. So there are two options. One is quick boot menu and second is going into BIOS and change the device priority. So it says press any key to reboot. So let us reboot, and as soon as you see the Dell logo there, you need to press F2. It is in BIOS. If you see, this is the BIOS screen, and if you see, we will go into this boot sequence. Sorry, my camera is shaking. And after you click on boot sequence, you see what all devices are supported for boot. So you have to check this boot USB storage device. This option will be different in different devices. This is the sequence how it will check for boot. If you want to boot from USB storage, you need to move up. So highlight it and you need to move up a bit, right? And it is done. And diskette drive, and this USB is my new hard drive. Zeb SD52 is my new hard drive, so you can change it later. And second one is make it USB drive. So, and then you apply and exit And after we change the BIOS option, now plug in the pen drive. After we plug in the pen drive, press any key to reboot or just reboot the machine. Now it booted up. Okay, now it is up. Alright, so we will language to install is English US, the first one. And time and currency format, we will leave it US. Keyboard input US, we'll select next and install now. From here, it is the normal installation as we did for the Windows 10 on VMware. So there is nothing special. The main reason for the video, how do you create the bootable media? So I accept the license and click on next. So I'll end this video here, will not stretch too long. It is the same, and I'll share the link how to install Windows 10 on VMware. Rest you can follow from there. For now, that is enough, and happy installation. Thank you and have a nice day.